That is the new game today, okay? And probably it's not a new game. It's how do you market? How do you advertise? How do you promote? How do you stay out there? How do you become first? I wrote a book called If You're Not First, You're Last, and that whole book was about be first in the buyer's mind, the prospect's mind, the non-buyer's mind. Be first in their mind.
Because then when they're ready, they're going to come right over to you.
They're going to go where they're most familiar.
Yeah.
And where they trust what they're most familiar with, okay? People buy from people they trust. If I don't know you, I can't trust you. Mm-hmm. People buy from people they know, not people they trust. Number one, it's no. I know you. I've seen you over and over again. I can't get away from you. By the way, I didn't like you when I first saw you. I can't get you out of my head. That's who they buy from today. Mm-hmm.
It's an abundant mindset versus a scarcity mindset. Yeah. And there's a lot of that in this industry. When the opportunity is huge, like 70% of Americans will say they're underinsured or have no insurance at all.
Yeah, I have $70,000 worth of life insurance.
You don't have enough. You're probably going to get pounded at
Nobody
this show.
even pitches me on insurance. People are scared to talk to me. They don't know what to say. How do they open the conversation? What's your pitch, man? What's your why, right? Why do I buy insurance? I have to buy it. I have to have it on my plane. I got to have it on my car. I have to have it on my condo. I have to have it on my office. Like, it's not like it's an option. By the way, if it was, I wouldn't have any. One guy pitched me insurance when I was 17 years old. That's how I got the $70,000 worth of insurance.
So you've had it that long?
Since I was 17 years old. I paid for it like 35 times.
So your dad was in the insurance business, right?
Yeah, he was in the life insurance business. He started a life insurance company, lost it, and then ended up in the financial markets, stock market.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah.
This September, put yourself in the driver's seat to 10xing your business at the 2018 InsuranceNewsNet Super Conference and become a master at modern marketing, sales techniques, trust multipliers, and agency building strategies guaranteed to exponentially grow your practice. With the help of keynote and main stage speakers Grant Cardone, Stephen M.R. Covey, Terry Shodine, Patrick Bet-David, Tom Hegna, and Dan Seidman. Visit www.innsuperconference.com and register now if you still can.